All right, welcome back, everybody. Now, today's video is going to be me going over the HP laptop that HP sent me to replace the laptop that went awry, I guess is the way I should say. This laptop is basically the identical laptop that I had with some upgrades. So, when we come back, I'm going to tell you what I think about this laptop that HP sent me, and I will tell you if I think it's worth you going out and getting one of these. So don't go away. Okay, so if you don't know the story, I had a HP laptop and it was I used to have all of this up. This is the second time I'm recording this, guys. I forgot to turn this camera on. Forgot to hit record. I don't know how that happened. Okay, basically, this laptop is the HP 15 da3019cy. Now, again, this laptop does have some upgrades from my original laptop. My original laptop came with 4 gigabytes of DDR4 RAM, and this actually comes with 12. And I can tell you, I've been using this laptop for editing 4K video using NCH Video Pad, and I haven't had a single hiccup with this laptop as far as video editing goes. Now, I tried running DaVinci Resolve on it, and it's very sluggish. You need a dedicated graphics card to run DaVinci Resolve, okay? But NCH Video Pad, wow, it was just running great on this laptop. My first laptop was basically this one with a newer processor. It was still an i5, but it was a newer version of that i5. It came with 4 gigabytes of DDR4 RAM. I upgraded it to 8. It had the Intel Optane RAM in it, which does help in editing videos. I will say that. This also has that in it. And that laptop also had a spin drive, which was a 1 terabyte, and this one is a 2 terabyte. Basically, this is the same laptop with more RAM. I mean, everything else is the same. I don't know if I can open this up wide enough for you to see it. I'm going to go ahead and power it on. It's got the same touchscreen, which I love. I love the touchscreen on these. I wish all laptops would come with a touchscreen, but I get the reason why they don't. This one, if I put a touchscreen on this, it probably wouldn't have this same vibrant 99% color correct. It just wouldn't be the same. Now, this one, again, is touchscreen. See if I touch down here, opens that up, and yeah, I love that touchscreen. One of the big things I liked about it was the keyboard on it. Everything lights up. I mean, every single little piece of writing on this keyboard lights up. So when it's dark, if you're working on this laptop and it's dark, you can see the keys. You know where it's going. The only problem with that is they only light up for a certain amount of time and then, boop, they go dim. And there is no control. You cannot say, okay, I want you to stay on all the time. You just can't do that, which is one of the downfalls that I don't like. Other than that, the keyboard is great on it. I like the keyboard. I like the trackpad. Trackpad works great. It's got positive clicks on the mouse. There you go. It's got a really nice video camera. So if I wanted to do any live streaming with this, and usually if I was going to do a live stream, and I think the last live stream I had, I did it with this because it doesn't have that look up your nose video camera down here like my Gigabyte Aero 15 has. It has a true camera right on the very top of the screen up here. So it's just nice. Now, I'm done with this. I'm going to go ahead and power it off. You know, I was going to go over the specs here real quick. It has an Intel Core i5 1035G1 processor in it. Base clock speed is 1.0 gigahertz. That's your base frequency. And of course, it'll jump all the way up to 3.6 gigahertz with the Intel Turbo Boost technology. And of course, the processor has 4 cores in it. Unlike my Gigabyte Aero, which has the i7 in it, I think that has 8 core, 6 or 8 core in it. I'll put it up here what it is. I'll have to look into that. Stroke Brain. It comes with 12 gigabytes of DDR4 SD RAM, and of course the speed on that is 2666, and that is a 4 gigabyte stick of RAM and an 8 gigabyte stick of RAM. The video graphics, Intel UHD graphics, does have the Intel Optane, and that's 16 gigabytes just like my other laptop had. Has a 2 terabyte 5400 RPM SATA HDD, which is just a spin drive, which, that's fine. That's what my other laptop had in it, and it works great for what I need it to work for. It's slow. It's not like it would be if it would be a solid state drive, but again, it did what I needed it to do. The display is a 15.6 diagonal display. It says it has the Bright View technology with 200 nits of brightness. It's easy to see, but the color correction on it is terrible. I mean, it's terrible, but it does the job. Remember, this laptop is selling for about $550. This is what you're going to get for that kind of price. It has Bluetooth and Wi-Fi. It does have a LAN plug-in, so if you don't want to use the Wi-Fi and you want to go direct, it does have that plug-in. The expansion slots, it has one multi-format SD card reader, which is basically a camera card reader, SD card reader. Now, here are all the ports in it. It has two super speed USB Type A, 5 gigabytes per second signaling rate. Those two are actually USB Type 3, and it has one USB Type 2 USB port in it, which is a USB Type A port. It has one HDMI. It has one AC plug in it, and then it has a headphone and a microphone combo jack, okay? Now, your USB Type A ports, one over here, and the high-speed ones, the two of them are over on this side. And, of course, over here you also have your HDMI and your LAN if you don't want to use Wi-Fi. It's all over here, plus your mic and your headphone jack is over here as well. So, there you go. It is all plastic. There is no metal in this. But it is what it is. You're talking about a $550 laptop. Now, what I wanted to discuss is my first laptop, I had issues with it. Within 3 months, the laptop started running really, really slow. I called HP. They put a tech on the phone. He went online, took control of my computer, and fixed it. Great. 3 months later, happens again. I call HP, the tech service did the same thing, got online, connected with my computer, bam, fixed it. It worked great for another, I would say, it actually lasted a little longer this time. I was almost right at the end of my warranty, and it happened again. He said, this is the third time, you need to send a laptop in this time, so, all right. I sent it in, and they basically replaced the hard drive, and I don't know what else they did to it, but I know that they did more than just the hard drive replacement on it. But they sent it back to me, and they even tacked on an additional 6-month warranty, which was outstanding. So far, I'm really liking HP. They're really backing their product, and I'm not having any problems at all. So, as right at the point where the warranty ran out of the laptop after they sent it back to me, the laptop started doing it again. So I contacted HP, and their mechanic guys, didn't want anything to do with it. They said, did you buy an extended warranty on that? And I said, no, I shouldn't have to. This is the same issue that I had when I first bought the laptop. It's not a different issue. It's the same issue. You guys never fixed it. So I shouldn't have to buy an extended warranty for that. Well, the service tech did not want to work or even look at my laptop without me purchasing that. And I said, you know what? I'll go get another laptop. You guys can keep your piece of junk. Forget it. So I get contacted by HP a little bit later. Oh, I know what it was. I did a survey, an online, because they sent me an online survey, and I put everything down. I got contacted by HP later on. It wasn't that long. I think 2 days after that. And again, their customer service is outstanding at HP. I've got to give them that. What he did was he basically said, we are sending you a new laptop. And he said it's used, but refurbished, and inspected to be like new. And it is, it's like new. So, okay, they sent it to me. And again, it doesn't have the same processor. It's a little older technology, not by much, but it does have way more RAM in it. And it runs, in my opinion, runs faster than my other one. So I'm happy. I purchased an extended warranty with that. And we're going to talk about what happened with that. I bought an extended warranty, and I have the receipt of me purchasing it, okay? That receipt came to me, and it said, we will send you a confirmation email once this gets finalized through, and then they will give me some, I guess, confirmation number. Now, I looked at my bank. It came out. The withdrawal came out of my bank, so they took the money, but I never got that confirmation. So every time I go into the HP help desk and try to upgrade my warranty, it tells me I got to buy it again. Would you purchase the warranty for the second time? I think I'm going to do it just to do it, before the warranty actually runs out. I have like 2 weeks left. But, I don't know. It really, really yanks my chain that this is going on. Come on, HP. Really? For that, I really cannot recommend HP to you guys. It used to be HP was one of the top rated laptops on the market. Well, they were one of the top rated computer builders on the market. And when I say that, I'm talking about for normal consumer, and I think even my company had HP laptops. I can't speak for gaming laptops and things like that because I've really never had an experience with, high-end gaming laptops until now. I mean, until I purchased this Gigabyte. But for your normal consumer laptop that you can pick up at Walmart, I can give them high marks. I really think HP did a good job. But as with everything else in this world, the bigger you get, the longer you're in the business, the sloppier you get. And I just think HP is just slacking. I don't know what to tell them to fix their problem. I really don't. Now, is every one of their laptops like that? Probably not. And chances of you going out there and purchasing a laptop and having the same experiences that I had, I don't think that is going to happen. But with that said, I have to be honest with you, and I have to tell you guys everything. That's why I started this channel. I started this channel because I wanted to do tech reviews and talk about tech, and I wanted to be 100% open with you all and not be beholden to a company or a product. I just didn't want to do that. And I pride myself in that today. I just won't do it. I turned down a couple offers here. They wanted to sponsor me, and I turned them down because without being able to test their product, how can I say it's a good product if I can't test it? They wanted me to sign a contract before they sent me the product to test it, to try it. And in that contract, I had to say, yeah, I liked it. And again, I won't do that. I just can't do that. It's crazy. All right, guys, that is my review on this laptop. It is a good laptop for what it is, but they need to get better control over their quality. I'm having problems with this laptop already, and my warranty's about ready to run out. Basically, what's happening is when I boot the computer up, sometimes it goes great, no problems. But other times when I boot it up, it'll load, and then if I go to click on the internet, it takes forever to load Chrome. Okay, you might say, well, that's your internet speed. No, let's say I just try to open up something. It'll take forever to open it up. So it's not the internet, it's not Chrome, it's something in the laptop. Because all I got to do to fix it is reboot. And as soon as it boots back up, I'm golden. It's running great. So yeah, it's definitely something with it. But again, I got NCH Video Pad to work on my Gigabyte Aero 15, and it wasn't something I did. They actually just put out another update port, and I installed the latest update, and it is working on my Gigabyte Aero. So that's awesome. Now I don't have to rely on this HP to do my editing, because I love NCH Video Pad. It's got everything in it I need. And again, I'm not saying it's the best one out there. It just is the best one for me, okay? So, that's it, guys. I want to thank you all for watching. I hope you got something out of this. Again, I didn't want to make this a really super long video, but I do appreciate each and every one of you. If you like the video, do that, and comment. If you have an idea for a video or something, comment below. Let me know what you would like to see me do a video on. If you guys have had any issues with HP or other companies, and their products, and I'd like to stick to laptops, but I guess any tech would do. Comment below. Let me know. Let me know about the company. Let me know about the issues you have. So, that's it. I want to thank you all for watching. I really do appreciate each and every one of you, and I will see you all on the next one.